Everybody says, bro, just do 100 push-ups every day and you'll get jacked. Really? Then why does half of Instagram look like they're doing push-ups, but still built like a breadstick? Here's the truth no one tells you. Daily push-ups work, but not the way people think. If you're a complete beginner, then I will say this. Push-ups will make you stronger fast. First few weeks, your chest starts to tighten, arms feel pumped. You're like, bro, I'm turning into Batman. But after a month, boom, your body adapts. You're still doing the same 50 to 100 push-ups, expecting new results. That's like you watch the same movie over and over again, thinking the ending will change. And let's be honest, most people don't even do proper push-ups. Their backs like banana bends, they do half reps and jumping on the floor like they're doing CPR on their carpet. Then they post grind never stops with moody lighting. Bro, your form stopped the grind 5 minutes ago. Yes, push-ups are powerful, but they're just one tool, not a miracle. They won't build a full physique if you keep doing the same thing daily with no progression. So here's what actually makes daily push-ups worth it. 1. Progressive overload. Increase reps, sets, or difficulty. Try incline, decline, diamond, or weighted push-ups. 2. Rest days matter. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you destroy them every day. 3. Nutrition. If your diet is trash, no amount of push-ups will save you. You can't build a body by eating bad food. 4. Full body balance. Add pull-ups, squats, planks. Build symmetry, not just chest and arms. So yeah, daily push-ups are great for discipline, not for becoming Captain America. If you can show up every day and bang out clean push-ups, then I respect you, because you're already ahead of 90% of people who only talk about grind mode. But don't lie yourself. Yes, I agree. Push-ups alone won't turn you into a superhero. Combine them with smart training, good food, and actual rest. That's the real truth about daily push-ups. No magic, just consistency, progression, and real form. So next time someone says, I do 100 push-ups every day, then ask them, cool bro, but can you do them right? Now tell me in the comments how many push-ups you can do at once, and share the video with someone who does these things. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.